Easy now, lower impact zone, Charlie. Steady, steady, contact.
Alignment confirmed on grid B.
The laser confirms the position of the internal frame here.
Yes, the data matches the digital blueprint perfectly.
Align it right there.
Hand me the roller.
Adhesion confirmed.
As the avionics racks fill the cockpit, our technicians face the massive logistical effort of integrating thousands of components.
The assembly continues as the second and third large multifunction displays are installed. The technician
frequencies are nominal across the spectrum. Avionics stability confirmed.
Structural integrity holding steady at peak load.
As the final assembly of Product A concludes, the robotic carts remove the temporary test equipment.
This sealant prevents corrosion during assembly. A technician then checks the coating with a specialized gauge.
2 articulated control columns and the stainless steel rails. All accounted for, ready for secondary phase.
The second set of stainless steel seat rails is installed symmetrically on the co-pilot side, mirroring the pilot side installation.
Alignment confirmed on this side.
Okay, applying final torque now. Confirmed.
Scanning sequence complete.
We've successfully routed the hydraulic and electronic feedback lines to the interface.
Now ensuring the tightness of the hydraulic.
The protective sheeting is carefully removed from the multifunction displays, ensuring no residue remains before the final wiring conduits are connected.
All systems check out on this side.
Confirmed. Wiring is fully integrated and operational.
Visibility check looks good from my position. Confirmed. Reach to the overhead panel is nominal. All switches responding.
The force required here is nominal. Hydraulic feedback on product B is perfectly calibrated. Rudder response is solid.
Gantry alignment holding steady at 99.8. Clear path confirmed for descent.
Roger that. Commencing final approach sequence.
The delicate mating process begins. Guided by laser tracking systems, the robotic manipulators ensure...
Finalizing ground power disconnect now. We'll take it from here. Heading in.
Initial power sequence engaged. Checklist, please.
Affirmative. Hydraulics green, engines standby. Interface nominal. Confirmed.
Knots.
Checked. Thrust set.
Takeoff power stable.
Auxiliary systems 1 and 2 engaging.
Confirmed. Pressure stabilizing.
Power settings aligned.
Co-pilot systems checked. Nominal.
The integrated display systems provide the crew with essential operational awareness, confirming the rigorous testing of the Product A interface.
Sync rate stable. Airspeed 125. Hydraulic pressure nominal.
The pilot's feet press firmly on the rudder pedals during a crosswind correction maneuver, demonstrating the robust mechanical interface.
Touchdown. Reverse green. Decel strong. Holding center line.
Shutdown checklist complete.
Confirmed. Powering down.